everyone. Myself Ramjas Yadav from the Sun Science Senior Secondary School. Today we will discuss about 10th biology, chapter 1st, life process. Now topics to be covered in this lesson are introduction, what are life process, nutrition. In nutrition, we will discuss modes of nutrition, that is autotroph as well as heterotroph. Nutrition in amoeba, nutrition in plants, nutrition in human being. Students, these topics we will discuss now further. Respiration, respiration in plants, respiration in human beings. Now next one, transportation, transportation in plants, transportation in human beings. Now further we will discuss next one topic, excretion, excretion in plants, in human beings. Students, first these topics we will discuss in this chapter, life process. First we will discuss introduction. Students, introduction. In introduction, we are saying different types of things around us, both living and non-living, like chair, table, desk, rocks, and now some other things like lion, elephant, cow, buffalo, which show some particular process, which process we will discuss in this chapter. Now the topic is, the question arises, what are life process? What are these process? Now students, what are life process? Processes which together perform maintenance functions for sustaining life are called life process. Processes which together perform maintenance functions for sustaining life are called life process. Now the next point in regarding life process. These process exists both unicellular as well as multicellular life forms. Students, process which together performs maintenance functions for sustaining life are called life process. Means वे प्रक्रियाएं जो कि साथ में घटित होती हैं जीवन के लिए, वे क्या कहलाती हैं? लाइफ प्रोसेस, जीवन की प्रक्रियाएं। ये प्रक्रियाएं दोनों फॉर्म्स में, एक कोशिकीय जीवों में और साथ ही साथ बहुकोशिकीय जीवों में चलती रहती है। अब नाउ वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट आर डिफरेंट लाइफ प्रोसेस. Okay, students, different life process. What are different life process? First one, nutrition, respiration, reproduction, control and coordination, excretion, growth and development. Next one, transportation, and the last one, movement. Students, we will discuss means about these life process in brief here. Later we will discuss in detail. Now means what is nutrition? What is nutrition? Means obtaining food and food material, and changing it into absorbable forms. To release energy, and which energy is utilized in various functions like cell growth, cell repair, etc. Now the second one is respiration. What is respiration? Means obtaining energy from food. Means respiration is the process in which oxidation of assimilated molecules take place, and in this process energy released in the form of ATP, which is used for different functions. Now, what is respiration? Oxidation of food material. Now, the next one is reproduction. Through the process of reproduction, life exists on Earth. Is when parent body produce their young ones is called reproduction. Now the next one is control and coordination. In this topic, control and coordination, we studied in what way animal body reacts to particular stimuli. The question is, what is stimulus or stimuli? Means anything anything which create response in living beings are called stimulus. Under control and coordination, we discuss about in what way living things responds to stimulus. Now the next topic is excretion. In excretion, when various processes like nutrition, respiration, transportation, various life processes occur in the animal body, then some waste products also released in the animal body, organism body, and these waste products, toxic substances, are released from the body through a process. This process is known as excretion. Now the next one is growth and development. Growth and development means when we obtain food material and energy released through the process of respiration, and which energy is used as cell growth, cell repair. In this way, living beings growth occur. Now the next one is transportation. Transportation, through the process of transportation occur in plants as well as animals. In both organisms, through the process of transportation, various substances like water, hormones, enzymes, bloods, sugar salts reach to every cells, and each cells need energy. So transportation is essential process in living beings. Now the next one is movement. Movement, living beings, each living being show movement to stimuli. Plants also show movement, animals also show movements. Plants, in plants, plant organs like leaves, stems show movement to their particular stimulus like water, light, temperature, etc. Okay students, the next topic we will discuss here how these life processes are interconnected with each other. Students, if you have any type of problem regarding explanation, then you can type your question in comment box, which we will further discuss. Okay students, now these life processes in what way interconnected? We see that each living beings obtain their food material. Each living beings obtain their food material, and absorb into simpler molecules. The process is known as nutrition. And when food material absorbed in the body, in the blood, and we also know that every living beings need energy. The next process is interconnected, which is respiration. In this process, respiration of food material take place and release energy. Oxidation of food material takes place and release energy. Then the next topic is which is connect to this process is we know that each means organism body is composed of cells. Now each cells need energy. So the next process is transportation is the process through which absorbed food material reaches inside the cell, where oxidation of food material takes place and energy released, which energy is used in various processes like cell growth, cell repair, and other process, whatever process performed by organisms take place. Now the next process, which is interconnected, like which is excretion. Means through this process, nutrition, respiration, transportation, the next process which is interconnected. In this process, various substances, waste material like urea, carbon dioxide, uric acid, ammonia released, and which is essential to release from organism's body, and these toxic substances released from organism's body through the process which is known as excretion. Okay students, now the simple explanation completed. Now next day we will discuss each life process in detail one by one. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.